Hello everybody, this is Arvis. Welcome back to Arvis Child Mathematics channel. On our last episode, I have shown you the fast trick on the multiplication of any two-digit numbers. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how can we calculate the multiplication of any three-digit numbers with two-digit numbers. Are you ready to learn it? Come, without any further delay, let's go. Let's look at the following steps. Alright, let's look at the first example here. If I ask you what is 222 times 31, okay, can you get this answer in just 3 seconds time? Actually, it's very easy. I'm going to show you the fast trick. So first of all, you need to see the first digit of 2 here and then the first digit of 3 here, right? So you need to multiply these two together. So 2 times 3 will give us 6, right? Next, you need to see the last digit, which is 2. Multiply by 1, okay? So which is 2, right? And then you need to find another 2 digits here. So how can we find these 2 digits? It's very easy. I need you to draw a curve, okay? Or we call it rainbow shape. So first of all, you start from 3, you draw a curve, touches 2, okay? So 2 times 3 will give you 6, right? And then the other one, you need to draw another curve, touches 2 here. So 1 times 2 will give you 2, right? Then you add these two together. 2 plus 6 will give you 8, right? So you quickly write down 8 here, okay? Next step, you need to draw another curves, okay? So just now we started at 3 here, and now we still remain the same, start from 3. But now we don't move to this 2, but we move to this now, okay? So 2 times 3 will give you 6, and then the next one, 1 times 2 will give you 2, right? Then you add up these two numbers together. So 6 plus 2 will give you 8. So your answer will be 6,882. Alright? Next, we look at the second example. If I ask you what is 132 times 21. Okay? Same method. First of all, you need to ask yourself what is the first digit here? It's 1, right? So you take 1 times the first digit of 2 here. So we'll give you 2, right? And then the last digit 2 here, multiply by 1. Okay? So 2 times 1 will give you 2 also, right? And then you left 2 numbers here. So as usual, we need to draw the curve. So our curve starts from this 2, move to left hand side of this 2, which is 4, right? When you times these two together. Okay, next one, you draw 1, touches 3, and then you multiply them together, will give you 3. Then just add these two up together. So 3 plus 4 is 7, right? Okay, then at down part here, we need to draw another curves. So just now we start from 2, now we start from 2 again, but now we need to move to 3, and then this 1, you need to move to 1. Okay, so 2 times 3 will give you 6, 1 times 1 will give you 1. Then just add these two together, will give you 7. So your answer will be 2772. Alright? So far so good, yeah? Okay, what if I give you the next example, 353 times 43. Alright? So first of all, as usual, 3 times 4 will give you 12, right? And then 3 times 3 will give you 9. You write it at the back. Then you left 2 digits here. Okay, next you need to quickly draw the curve. Start from 4 here, draw backward, okay, move to 3. So 4 times 3 will give you 12. Then this 3, move to 5. So 3 times 5 will give you 15, right? So 12 plus 15 will give you 27. So you write 7 here and you put 2 on top, right? Then the bottom part here, we start from 4 here again, but now we need to move to 5. So 4 times 5 will give you 20, and then 3 times 3 will give you 9, right? You add these two together. 20 plus 9 is 29, right? 29, don't forget the plus 2 here. So 29 plus 2 will give you 31, right? Then you put 3 here. So your last step, you take 3 plus 12, it will give you 15, right? So your final answer will be 15,179, alright? Okay, so I will give you the next 2 examples. and you can pause this video for a while and give yourself a try. Okay, so what if I give you 233 times 43 and 158 times 69? Okay, give yourself a pause on this video and we'll discuss this later. Alright, let's come back now. So first of all, we take 2 times 4, right? 2 times 4 will give you 8. Okay, then the last digit here, 3 times 3 will give you 9. Okay, then we left 2 more numbers. So as usual, we draw the curves. Start from 4 times 3 will give you 12, right? 12, then this 3, you move to 3 here. So 3 times 3 will give you 9. So 12 plus 9 will give you 21, isn't it? Then you put 2 here. Next, the next curve, start from 4, draw the 3 here, and then 3, draw the 2 here. So 4 times 3 will give you 12, 3 times 2 will give you 6, you add these 2 together, will gives you 18. 18 then plus 2 here will gives you 20, right? 20 you put the 0 here, then you put 2 here. So 8 plus 2 will gives you 10. So your final answer will be 10,019. Alright? The last example here. So let's start. 1 times 6 will give you 6. Then 8 times 9 will give you 72, right? 72. So you put 2 here and then put 7 on top. Okay. So next we draw the curve. Start from this 6. Move to left. So 6 times 8 is 48. Plus with 9 times 5, right? Is 45. So 48 plus 45 is 93, right? 93. So 93, don't forget to add up with 7 here. So 93 plus 7 is 100, right? 93 plus 7 is 100. So you put 0 here and put 10 here because it's 100, okay? Next, this 6, you move to 5 here. So 6 times 5 is 30. Meanwhile, 9 times 1 here is 9. So 30 plus 9 is 39. 39 then plus 10 will give you 49, right? So you just write 9 here and then you put 4 on top. So eventually you take 4 plus 6, then it will give you 10, right? So your final answer will be 10,902. Alright? So, how was the fast trick that I showed you above? It's very cool and interesting, isn't it? Well, you can practice this more regularly, and I believe that you for sure can perform faster than your friends and even calculators. Alright? Okay, so here comes to the end of this video. If you like our video, like it, share it among your friends, and most importantly is subscribe to our channel so that you will stay updated and won't miss our next videos. Alright, so see you on next video. Take care. Bye bye.